everyone, Chris here, the RC Geek out of the field, and I've been doing a little bit of playing with the E-flite F-16. I've got the 10 channel receiver. This is the new 10 channel that they've just released, and so I have gone through and I've reconfigured the controls a bit to try and see what we could get in terms of the landings. Now, I've got right now, this is my up and away mode. I've got standard elevator ailerons, but what I've done is I've added more Flaperon and added Tailerons with the Flaperons. And so the way that I did that, and I'm going to do a full video on the receiver, setting that up, setting up the AS3X, all of that. It was generally pretty simple. You've got to put the two ailerons, two elevators into separate channels, and then I have set up here Flaperon and dual elevator in my configuration. And so that gives me my standard control, and then I added in a mix on the elevator to get it to act as aileron, or Tailerons I should say, and that is activated by my Flaperon switch. So when I am up and away, standard control, and then I drop the Flaperons, and so the Flaperons are still operating. The tails are now acting as Tailerons, and so I'm maintaining much better roll control, because with the Flaperons you do lose that roll response quite a bit, and so it really does help bring that back considerably. So you've got much more active control in the roll on the landings in this configuration. So otherwise, I've kind of got my hybrid loadout here. I am running a Roaring Top 6250 pack. You can see the AR 10 3060 in here, and again I've got the AS3X all set up. I've got of course the afterburner, all of that, and so yeah, I'm really liking the configuration, the Flaperons on the landings. It slows down really nicely, and you've got that positive roll control, so you're getting the benefits of the Flaperon much more, because I can, with those Tailerons, drop the Flaperons more and get more effect out of them. So, all right, let's give you guys a flight and kind of show you what it does, and yeah, let's have some fun. I forgot to mention, with the Flaperon, when I've got the full 100% down, I do have to have just a touch of up elevator mix with it, and that's only with the full Flaperon, and so yeah, let's do some flying.
like Halloween style.
Yeah, that's Halloween style.
I gotta stop landing midfield. The end of the runway is down there. Dang it. All right, guys, so there is the F-16. We got the full flaperons working. It really gets into a nice nose-up attitude with that. It is a bit draggy, so I am having to carry that throttle, but that's also part of what you want and the whole idea behind this. I'm really liking how it responds in this configuration for the landings. Now, if it's windy, you may not want to use the flaperons. You may want to just land a zero flaperon, but otherwise, on a day like today, it's perfect. So even going through the soup up there, which is pretty awesome. So anyway, guys, I'm going to be doing a full review on the receiver, showing you guys exactly what all the programming is involved in doing this, as well as talking about some of the other features. So be on the lookout for that. But otherwise, yeah, going to get some more flying in today. Really liking the F-16. So that's it for this video, guys. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to follow along on social media at the RC Geek. Subscribe. Until next time, I'll see you at the field. Action. Wait, what shirt do I have? Oh. Ghostbusters 1984. Did you survive it? Gozer's Return. Just saying.